Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and search for Meta Facebook like so. And you want to go to this URL as displayed right here, https colon // business.facebook.com/settings. Once you go to this area right here, this is the business settings of the Meta. You'll have to go down below right here and click on data sets. Then you want to go and click on Shopify Demo Pixel. And after that, you want to go and open the Shopify dashboard. Then you want to search for Facebook and Instagram Meta and install this add-on as you can see. Once you install it, go back again and go to your Meta dashboard, go and click on datasets, then go and click on Shopify Demo Pixel. Then you want to get back to your Shopify, and here you have this add-on added, Facebook and Instagram. Click on connect account beside the Facebook account right here. And after that, you want to choose which type of business account that you want to connect it to your Shopify. And after that, choose the account, then click on connect. And now here it is finalizing the channel setup. Just open your Meta dashboard again, then click on Shopify Demo Pixel. Then search for a button saying add sponsorship or add a partner. Search for a button saying add a partner, then choose Shopify like so. Then you want to go and click on send test traffic and go and click on next, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.